Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you fix Discord not opening on PC. So there are a couple of different steps you could try in order to fix. First of all, you want to open up your Windows tab and go to the search panel and type in run. Open up your command prompt, after which you want to type in %local AppData % and click the OK button. Once you've done it, so it's going to take you to your file page, or it's going to take you to the drive section. So here what you need to do is you simply want to tap on the search bar in the top right and type in Discord and look for the file that's related with the Discord. When you locate it, so you want to double click on it and go to the web cache file and make sure to delete all of that. After you've done it, so close the tab, restart your PC and see whether that will be able to solve your issue or not. Similarly, the other way you could fix it is by closing all the background running apps. So for that, you want to come to the Windows homepage. Once again, go to show hidden icon in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. And right over here, you could see that I have a lot of background application running, right? So right click on the mouse and just click on exit or quit. When you do this, you want to do for all of these applications that's not necessary and running in the background. And at the last, you also want to right click at the bottom anywhere and go to task manager. And if you find any file or any folder related to Discord opened up, you want to right click and click on end task. Now then, you want to try launching Discord and see that will be able to solve your issue or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, then the last alternative is to uninstall it and update and install the updated version. To uninstall, you want to open up your search panel. Once again, type in control panel and go to the open button. Once the control panel opens up, under program, click on uninstall a program, locate Discord right over here. And when you locate it, so do the same thing, right click and click on uninstall. And once again, reinstall it and that will be able to solve. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.